What does a class consist of? We have said that the class is a container that contains code. But this container consists of what? This container consists of two things. The first thing is functions. The second thing is variables. And this is everything that the class consists of. Only functions and variables. But in the classes, we have other terms of these two things. We call the variables as attributes, and we call the functions as behaviors. The attributes are variables and the behaviors are functions. But what are the behaviors and what are the attributes? The behaviors are things that this class can perform or do. Because of that, they are functions. Because functions can do jobs. And because of that, they are called behaviors. The attributes are variables. And these variables are things to describe the thing that this class is representing. For example, if we have a class that is representing a human, like this, the behaviors will be the things that this human can do. For example, dancing, sleeping, or driving, growing, watching TV, or cooking. These are behaviors that this human can do. Because of that, the behaviors are functions, because they are doing jobs. What about the attributes? The attributes will be things that describe the thing that this class is representing, like variable to describe the name of the human, or the tall, or age, or weight, or for example, education level. These are the attributes. And because of that, they are variables, because they are not doing jobs. They are only describing that thing that this class is representing. And this is everything about what does a class consist of.